explain because I am a South African. I'm not talking because maybe I'm against other people or anything. It's important for me to say I'm a South African because I can see happening here. They are saying it's only Nigerians we are trading here, which is not only Nigerians. We are trading in these players. Our kids, they are eating in these players. So when they want to take away players, what they want us to do? They want us to go and steal. They want us to go and do bad things outside. Is this government going to feed our kids when they are taking away this land? Okay, it's fine. When they are saying that Nigerians they can't trade in these villas, but when we have a permit in South Africa, what is the meaning of permit? The meaning of permit is that we are allowed to trade in the country we are. We are South African. Do we need a permit to trade here? We have IDs. So how does they know? It's only
now they see that they are women, they are protesting.
They run away.
They run away.
That is the problem.
President Ramaphosa is at work. This is streets. I don't know what is going on, but our God will fight us.
That is
in Jesus' name.
The Western now.
Let's go.
They are wasting time when they are responding to these people. They are wasting time.
We are not going to back down. The same thing we did 2013. We are going to do the same thing. We are going to fight until the end. And you, ANC, that is corrupt. You are not going to get our vote. We are tired of nonsense. Even JMPD, we are tired of you. You are claiming to enforce bylaws, but you are not enforcing bylaws. You are coming here to harass our members. And we will stand firm. We will fight. You will arrest us. We will come out until you kill us. All foreign national countries, they must know what South Africa has turned into. South Africa, they have invested in your country.
Or anyone at all. Immigration is coming today. Make sure you put your papers in order, because we are not going to play. We want to reclaim and clean the city of Johannesburg. So sebenzani nathi bahlali kahle nje ngaphandle kokuhlukumezana. So ke namhlanje asifuni anyone start nothengisayo. Umuntu othengisayo namhlanje umuntu one permit. Mawungena permit yokuthengisa, you must disappear. The law enforcement is here to work with us, and they're going to be here almost every day, so that there's order in the city of Johannesburg. So the mawazi ukuthi awukho legal estradini hamba impela uzoboshwa, asikudingi la, hamba nyamalala. Siyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgoso Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. My foreigners, they are protesting lapha Johannesburg CBD kwaDunusa endawo nje leyo yatiwa ngokuthi kwaDunusa. Some people are asking ukuthi why kubitwa ngokuthi kwaDunusa ngoba kuthengiswa impahla temasekeni tema second hand laphayana and mawuthenga khona uyadunusa labanye basuke batibeke phansi labanye batibeke ematafuleni but vele nje kwatiwa ngokuthi kukaDunusa. So abaqoshiwe lapha nama-foreigners aqoshiwe lapha kuleya ndzawo bebathengisa bekusiminyaminya kusiphithiphithi nje lapha kuleya ndzawo bekusiphithiphithi akuhambe inkunzi le beyibanjwa laphayana bayibambe inkunzi emini libalele alidla abantu langa. So they are angry oma-foreigners akwata ganeleni wabo sibabonile ukuthi bebalokhu bamile laphana bangafuni kusuka the past 2 days esibona vele ukuthi they are actually planning something laba namhla they are protesting batoyitoya bathi bona bafuna kubuyela endzaweni yabo bayothengisa kuthiwa nje bona bathi bafuna kubuyela endzaweni yabo bayothengisa njengoba sitivela batikhulumela and some of them lapha phakathi kwabo kunebantu who are actually saying ukuthi bona they are South Africans bathengisa kuleya ndzawo but kungani mase baqosha abantu baqoshe wonke umuntu baqoshe nema-South Africans baqoshe ngisho nebantu labanawo ama-permits kokuthi kuthengiswe kuleya ndzawo bakwatile abantu babambene ama-card box ukuthi vele bakutoyitoyile serious they are fighting ukuthi bafuna leya ndzawo yabo back. And lokunqaka kakhulu nabo laba ukuthi bantu bokuhamba boma-Nigeria bakwatile nabo babambe ama-card box ukuthi bafuna kubuyela etindzaweni tabo the very same people laba anganawo nema-documents but bayatoyitoya kanjani the city. Sibinzi basithatha mara abantu bokuqhamuka ngaphandle nkosi yami like sibinzi usithatha kungani bangabuyela emaveni abo bothengisa khona kani lena ebo-Nigeria kuthengiswa ngematshe yini bathenga ngematshe baze bangayekuthengisa khona bajahe kutothengisa la South Africa ngoba baqosha balwe kabuhlungu kangaka. Hayi bayangicaka shame yathi ngendlela abakwate ngakhona and the person who uploaded these videos lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana uyi-Nigeria meaning ukuthi yena he's actually trying to expose bantu or i-government yase-South Africa ukuthi corrupt ikhohlakele baqoshile lapha eJohannesburg ukuthi bangathengisi. Sibinzele singaka uthi uyi-foreigner uyothatha lama-video lafana nala waphosela enkundleni yokuxhumana wende ngazuthi abantu base-South Africa barongo ukuthi baniqoshe la nithengisa khona animuke ngani nye emavenini nothengisa khona. And bantu labanye bese bajabulile ukuthi lapha eJohannesburg inkosi yami kuklini bayakhona nokundlula noma baye emsebenzini abasasabi inkunzi bathi njena bajabulile ukuthi bakhiphile sonke lesiminyaminya libesilapha but bona batotoyela ukuthi bafuna kubuyela endzaweni yabo kanjani. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.